In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Canva for free. You can use it to share links, files, products, or anything online. So let's get started. Alright, so I've created a simple design. Here I'm adding my recent frame pack, which I gave away in a recent video. If you haven't watched that yet, you can check it out after this one. Now, instead of sending people the link manually, we'll create a QR code, so they can just scan and access the pack instantly. To generate the QR code, go to Apps. In the search bar, type QR code. You'll see multiple options here. I'm going to use this one because it's officially created by Canva and completely free. Click on it to install. Now we need the link to add here. In my case, it's a Canva template link. So I'll open the template, click Share, then select Template Link, and copy it. Now go back and paste the link here. You can also customize the QR code colors from here. Change background, foreground, whatever matches your design. I'll keep the default colors. Now click Generate Code. And just like that, your QR code is ready. Let's place it inside this box on the design. Make sure it's clearly visible and not too small so people can scan it easily. Now before sharing, always test it. Open any QR code scanner tool online. Here, you can upload the QR image or the full design, and it will scan automatically and show you the link. I'll download this image first. Now upload it to the scanner. And as you can see, it shows our template link. Let's open this link in a new tab. Perfect. It's working exactly as expected. So that's how you can create a QR code in Canva for free. Quick, simple, no extra tools needed. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.